Hello my dear children, good morning all of you. Today for class 8, squares and square root. You have already got one lesson. You must go through that lesson, then you must observe this. Otherwise you may feel difficulties. Here, pay your attention. Finding square root by division method. Division method is the vital. In prime factor method, only you will get the square root for perfect square number. But in division method, any number, fraction, decimal, integer, any number, for finding square root, the division method you have to understand clearly. Now pay your attention. The sum are given from ML Agarwal, exercise 3.4. Find the square roots of the following by using division method. First you have to copy the sum in this way. Then you have to take the 2 digit from right hand side in this way. These 2 digits. After taking 2 digits, what digit will remain in left hand side? You have to start with that digit. It may 2 or 1 also. Here is 2 digit is remaining. Then we have to start with these 2 digits. What number you will take here? Exactly same number you have to take in quotient. Here we have taken 4, so here also we have to take 4. If you take 5, then it will be more than 21. This is why we have to take 4. After taking 4, you have to subtract this in this way. After subtraction, we are getting 5. Then in case of simple division, we are taking 1 digit from the dividend. But in case of square root, finding square root in division method, we have to take 2 digits at a time. In this way, 3, 4 at a time. Then this is the vital part. You must pay your full attention. What we have got in question, there is 4. Exactly double of 4, that is 8, we have to take here. Then what you will take here, exactly that you have to take here. Here by 6 we are getting 501 6. By trial method you have to see if it is 8, 7. If you take 7 here, then also you have to take 7 here. If you take 5 here, then also you have to take 5 here. In this way, which will be matched, that number you have to take here. That is 516. After that we have to subtract. After subtraction we are getting 18. Then 2 digit at a time, that is 4, 4 we have to take. After taking 4, 4, then we have to take double of 46. This is the 4, 6. So double of 46, that is 92. Then what you will take here, exactly that number or digit you have to take here. Then you have to do this. In this way, at last, you have to write the answer. Therefore, square root of this equal to 462. Sum is completed. Clear? Next sum. Find the square root of the following by division method. This is the decimal number, this is the integer. In case of decimal number, same thing, you have to take the 2 digits in this way. What will remain, that is the integral part, that is 5. Then what you will take here, exactly same you have to take here 2. Then we are getting 4. By subtraction we are getting 1. Then 2 digit at a time we have to take, that is 7, 7. Then double of 2, that is 4. What you will take here, 4. Here is decimal. This is why you have to take the decimal in quotient. After that we have to proceed. So after taking 2 digits here, then here it will be 4. Then you have to write 4 here also. Then it will be 176. Then by subtraction we are getting 1. Then 4, 4 we are taking 2 digit. But after taking 4, 4, it is not. It is less than this. This is why we have to take the 0 in quotient. For this 0, we will take another 2 digits in this way, 09. Then here will be 3, and here also you have to write 3. Then we are getting this number. This here it is completed. Now therefore root over 5.774409 equal to 2.403. This is the answer. I think it is clear. Next sum. Find the square root of the following number. Correct two decimal places. Here decimal places mentioned point, and you have to maintain the decimal places. Here, after writing the sum, the same thing you have to follow. After here, the three digits after decimal 462, but making 0, we have to take the digit right side of the decimal. We may take many 0, then the number will not be changed. Here, for the sake of taking 2 digits, then we are taking 1 0 here. After that, we have to take digit 2 digits in this way. Then we have to proceed in previous method you have to follow. By following the previous method, we are getting this remainder. Here, the mention, that is the 2 decimal places we have to answer. This is why we have to take 3 digits after decimal. Then we have to make it round. This is why root over 5.462 equal to 2337 up to 2 places of decimal. This is why here is 7. 7 is more than 5. If you see 5 or more than 5 of the third digit, that digit will be neglected after adding 1 with the previous digit. That is why it will be 2 into 3, 4. This is the correct 2 decimal places of decimal answer. This is the answer. Next sum, find the square root of the following fraction correct to 2 decimal places. Here is fraction. This is the decimal number. Here is fraction. This fraction we have to convert into decimal form. This is 11 plus 3 by 8. After take division, you may show in fair, that is by division we are getting 3.74. So this is why 11 and 3 and by 8 equal to 11.375. After getting the decimal form, then we have to write in this way. Here also we may take 1 0 in the right hand side. After that we have to follow the previous method. After following that, we are getting 3.372. That is up to 2 places of decimal. This is why here is 2 less than 5. 5 or more than 5, if you see, then we have to add with the previous digit. Here is less than 5. This is why simply this digit will be neglected. So the answer will be 3.37. This is the answer. Next, find the least number which must be subtracted from the following number to make a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. This is the number. You have to find the square root. That is the same method. After taking the 2 digit in this way, 1 digit left in the left hand side. With this digit we have to start, that is 1 1. After that, by subtraction, we are getting 1021. Exactly previous method we have to follow. Here remainder 205. Clearly 205 is subtracted from number, that is 11021. The remainder will be a perfect square. Therefore the perfect square number, this minus this, that is 10816. We have to find out also find the square root of the perfect square number. This is why we have to find out the square root of this number. This method, exactly the previous method you have to follow. By following the previous method, we are getting the square root of this equal to 104. Therefore the square root of the perfect square number is 104. Sum is completed. I think very simple. If you follow attentively, easily you will understand. My suggestion, after looking the video, you must copy the sum, or you may mark in your book. After that you close the video, then you must try yourself for solving all the sum. After solving, you must check whether your answer is matching with the solution or not. In this way, if you practice, I think you will get the confidence. Please pay your attention on the solution again. Okay, thank you everybody.